Alright, it's 11 a.m. I'm over here because this guy just like to have reception anywhere else anywhere all of a sudden. Hold on, I'm gonna try to fix that. I'm not sure why it's doing this all the time. All of a sudden. So you were not doing this before. Why are you doing it now? You were fine every single other day until today. What is going on?
Here is a public information statement.
No, JPT, bruh.
Is currently off the air due to a problem with phone line communications. We hope to restore service soon. We apologize for any inconvenience. Now, here is the
Okay, I wouldn't sit here for this entire for the activation part because he does not want to get anything. All of a sudden, everybody else is at least pretty fine. I can't do anything about him. Alright, that's nice. We're gonna have to move.
Highs in the mid-50s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour
okay with
in the
that.
afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing.
Okay. This is fun. Everybody decided to start having reception issues. Alright, so I figured it out. It was just interference with the 74105XL. Which I don't know how to happen. Yeah, it's okay now. That was weird.
Signal was a test of the weather radio station WXM69 of Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test would be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Jackson, Pike, Mills, Scioto, and Vinton. In Kentucky, Lewis, and Mason. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXM69 of Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the Greater Fort Worth Regional Airport under cloudy skies. The wind west at 10 miles an hour, gusting to 18. The barometric pressure was 29.
Okay, so several things that I figured would have gone up did not. So let's look over everything here. BC-148 XLT went off. The Westinghouse wasn't turned on because you can't get anything. FR600 went off. Jensen went off. You did not go off. I do not know why. I also don't understand why. See what's sitting right here. And yeah. I don't know why it didn't go off. WX69 went off. WR100 went off. 991 went off, although it got drowned out somehow. WX200 went off. Why did you not go off?
The following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland.
Might be the remote issues it has on channel 6. 74105XL went off, 262 went off, and a WR8000 went off. So, yeah.